Hi there, we're back with another episode of Jana Eats. Thank you for tuning in. It's the gluten and caffeine-free video YouTube channel that's so delicious you're not even going to miss gluten or dairy. So it's kind of food for all, even though I kind of geared it to people that are challenged with food restrictions. This food's really for everybody. So mayonnaise can be kind of a challenge for people, and you need something smooth and creamy, right? So we're going to do this mayonnaise with soaked cashews. So I'm going to start with a half a cup of, I soak these cashews overnight. They're raw, and you know what? I'm going to do a cup. I'll do a cup of them. See how I cook? Then we're going to do a half of a lemon, juice of half of a lemon. Oh, wow! That was a juicy little number. We're also going to put a clove of garlic in, smash it, and then that paper comes right off. I just lightly mince this. I don't spend a lot of time because the blender is going to do the work for me, right? Let's do a tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Dijon. A little dry Dijon on the lid. There we go. I'm going to do 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. A teaspoon of sea salt. And I'm going to put just a touch of smoked paprika. I love smoked paprika. It's such a great flavor profile. The other thing you can play around with is smoked sea salt. You know, if you want a little smoky element in your food, I love smoked sea salt. It's fabulous. And then I keep a little bit of water, you know, I'm going to just put a little, you know, just so I can get it mixing. Okay, let's try this. And you're going to need a high-speed blender for this. I'm using a Blendtec. You can also use a Vitamix. Costco and other places like Williams-Sonoma and Sur La Table, you know, run sales. So kind of keep your ear out. You can get a great blender and get a little discount, and it'll last you forever. It's the best investment. Oh, yeah, it's coming together. It's still a little chunky. Okay. Oh. There it is. Okay, so you need to employ a little patience with this recipe and just keep at it. And you might need to add a little more liquid to get it to emulsify and get to know itself. It does have a little texture, but so what? It tastes really, really good. I might do it one more time. This is a messy video. I'm usually tighter than this. Okay. Yeah. I think you're going to like it. Give it a whirl. Use a soft nut. Use a pine nut or use cashews and soak them. That's my helpful hint. But anyway, it's delicious and I'm going to use it, and you should too. As a matter of fact, I'm kind of envisioning using this not only on sandwiches, but you know, get a nice gluten-free, like make a cauliflower tortilla and some mayo and meat and all that, and roll it up and So I'll see you next time. Thanks for tuning in. Egg-free mayo made with cashews. See you next time.